Okay, we're going to use linearization to estimate square root of 101. So the first thing I got to think is, okay, what function am I using that I'm going to be approximating? That's obviously, I hope, square root of x. Now, I could find this guy's tangent line equation anywhere I want, but I probably want to find it at a value whose y value I know that's nearby. I got to be close to 101. So I got to think close to 101. Whose square root do I know that's nearby? Well, I know square root of 100. So I know square root of 100 is 10. So that's where I'm going to be finding my tangent line. I mean, I could have done 81. I know square root of 81, but then I'm pretty far away from 101. Okay, so then near x equals 100. That's my a value. F of x will be approximately equal to the equation of the tangent line, which is the actual function value at 100 plus the derivative at 100. That's an f prime times my distance from 100, or my change in x from 100. Okay, so I need two things. I need f of 100. Obviously, square root of 100 is 10. Then I need to find the derivative. The derivative of square root of x is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, or 1/2 square root of x. You should be able to do that in your head, getting to there. So that implies the derivative at 100 is 1/2 square root of 100. That's 1/2 times 10, or 1/20. So that means square root of 101 is approximately equal to, so now I'm just looking here, 10 plus 1/20 times, now my change in x, 101 minus 100. That's just 1. So that's just 10 plus 1/20. 1/20 is 0.05. That's 10.05. So now in my head, like I did all this work in my head, I can get a calculator out. I've just estimated square root of 101. I may get some of these details wrong. I'm going to go off on a tangent here. The video game Doom revolutionized video game graphics. And the big innovation they made, that being able to render 3D environments, was plotting out distances using the Pythagorean theorem. There was one line of code in the code for the video game Doom, one single line that made modern gaming possible. And it took people a long time to realize this. Again, I just read an article about this the other day, so I don't remember all the details. I'm kind of going off on a tangent here. That one line of code was doing exactly what we're doing here. It was approximating a square root by using linearization, because you got to use Pythagorean to find the third side of a triangle, to find distances. And doing it the old way, taking square roots the old way, took a lot of computing power. But doing this takes very little computing power. And so all the video games that you guys play now, those graphics exist because of that one line of code in the video game Doom. All right, let's get our calculator out and see what square root of 101 is. That is a really good approximation. And we did it in our heads. Okay, stop that one.